She came, guys. Let's get to the unboxing.
Bill, blatantly, why you do this?
Nah, I just started, bro. We're just gonna start the show, man. Start it. Give him my intro. Okay. Yeah. I got it. Welcome to the Blatantly Blatant Show. The people be hating now because I be talking all my ish. Welcome to my show. Please get off my. Welcome to my show. Please get off my. Welcome to the Blatantly Blatant Show. The people be hating now because I be talking all my ish. Welcome to my show. Please get off my. Welcome to my show. Please get off my. Let's stop. Oh man. It's I got this way earlier. I got it when I got off of work and I had some stuff to do today. Did most of everything. Now it's time to sit down and then get to this unboxing. I've been waiting, bro. So what we have here is the collaboration of Alpha Theta and Serato, man. We have the slab. Yes, sir. Let me move this over so you can see a little better. Let me cut my NPC off too, because I might have my arm on it. All right, so guys, we're gonna get right to this unboxing. So what we have here is the slab, and I didn't even open it yet. I didn't do none of this. And this is, if you can't see on the screen, what the heck is this? Yeah, man, I got a lot of shows on the network, bro. I'm working on a lot of shows. That's why I said you may not like the beats, you may not like something, but hey, you may like a damn unboxing. You may like me going to work talking ish. You may like day shifts. I'm trying to have this box light. Oh, there we go. Well, it's gonna help. But this is what we got. I hold it open like that. Okay, we got a little bookie book. What they talking about? What they talking about, dude? All right, so this is gonna give me, I guess, all the information. This ain't one of those fancy unboxings, bro. This is a blatant unboxing. You gonna get, yeah, the box is gonna hit the mic. It's gonna hit the mic. It's gonna hit all of that. So what we have here is quick start guide. Okay. We have here, you know, your important information, all that other good stuff. All that stuff I really don't read, but I keep just in case if I need to read it. Okay, cool. And we get to register our product with our phone. Let's get it. So, all right, so this is what's dope. So with the slab, right? This bad boy right here, sorry for the wrong screen. Like I said, this ain't one of those perfect unboxings, bro. It's a blatant unboxing, bro. We have the Serato Producer Suite. And this is what I'm talking about. They said you get a 50% off for 3 months. And with the suite, like I said, it's Serato sample and hex. It's worth it to check out. If you haven't checked out hex, bro, hex is fire. And if you don't have Serato sample and you like Serato Studio and you want to just have that sampling power in another DAW or something, then get Serato sample, bro. Like, get both. You feel me? But let's see what else we got in this box. All right. What is this? All right, you got your little cord here. Cool. We got the gray cord. I like it. What else we got? Why is it upside down? Or maybe it's not. I'm like, wait, what? Oh, okay. So it's not as big as I thought. Pause, guys. All right, so let's put this down because I do not want to drop it. That'll be my damn luck. Hold on. So let me put this right here back in the box. Bada boom, bada bing. And yeah, the box is way bigger than the actual slab. This size, I like it. And honestly, it looked, I can move it over some. It looked bigger in the video. Pause again if necessary. Let's open her up. Oh man, I can't wait. See, that cord though, you're probably gonna have to use, oh, that's not gonna reach. Hopefully I can just use my other USB-C, but I wanted to keep the actual USB that it came with. I like it, bro. Off top, the size, Yes, sir. Look, it looks good. Let me move the mic. It looks good. You see her? You see her, bro? You see her, bro? Let me move that mic. Let me just see y'all focus. That's sexy. That's sexy. I'm going to register the product also. Bro, this dope. The weight wise, it's light to me. It's light to me. It has a little weight though. It definitely has a little weight, but it's light. The feel. I love the feel of it. I gotta get. Might have to put some here. My table's a little uneven, but I love the feel. Okay, so yeah, the pads feel like they're the same size as the Live 3. They don't feel like the Live 3 pads, but they're like smooth. They're smooth pads. All right, touch strip. Yeah, I like it, bro. And then these are how you can mute your bass and vocals and stuff. All right, well, I can hook this up to the Mac, so we can do that. But I'm gonna have to I want to use this on Windows, so, but we're gonna use it on Mac too, for sure. We're gonna use it on Mac too. Or maybe this might reach over there, but I would just have to unplug something. Yeah, it would. All right, cool, it would. We in there like swimwear. And then I also have my other USB-C. So, man, let's just plug her up, right? You may not hear this. You know what? You may hear the sound. I might see, I don't know if I have my SP routed, but let's just plug her up real quick. Boom. Oh, well, I have to register first. And I need my phone. And my phone is the camera right here. It's this camera right here. So, all right. I guess that's the unboxing. I'm going to register this. Then we're going to hook this bad boy up. And we're going to make some beats. Just off look alone, bro. I love it. I love it. And I'm not just saying this. I like the size. Like it's, and then the pads, I like the way the pads fit. They're not bad. They're smooth. Having all these buttons here, this is going to be fun. Like I said, I was going to try to do a beat real quick, but I can't because I should have. Well, I couldn't have registered first if I'm doing an unboxing with y'all. So like, this is just fresh and brand new. So thank y'all for watching. I'm telling you now, you might want to get this. Like if you thinking about beat making, and you're like, damn, should I get an MPC? Should I get that? Now, like I tell you guys, if you have the money, get your MPC. But if you're looking for something fun, something you can travel, if you have a laptop too, I mean, you can bring your MPC. But this with a laptop, oh my God, bro. You get live stem splitting right there. Other stuff you gotta wait. No, this is on the fly. It may take a second depending on whatever device you have, but once it's on like Donkey Kong. And this is $329, yes. But this is $329, yes. But you get the full license to Serato Studio. So you getting a DAW and a controller. You got the whole package, bro. And then when I register this, I get to get all their packs. Only have like the core packs and stuff right now. So they have so many drum kits, so many instruments. This is about to be new. And I can't wait. And I can't wait. And I can't wait. And we out. Blatantly. Show. Blatantly. Blatant. Blatantly. Show. Blatant.